Hello, this is iMobi. This video will help you how to use the preset function of FocuSee. First, open the software, click History, find the video that has been edited before. Click Edit to view the effect, and check whether there are any supplements to the background and mouse effects. Everything is ready, click Preset. Enter the name. Click Create. Then click Here. And then click History to find the video that needs to be preset. To edit the video, we can browse the video. You will see that the presentation effect of the video is different from the preset just now. Now click Preset again to find the name of the preset just now. Click Apply. And then view the preset effect. If there is anything that needs to be modified, you can also click on the toolbar on the left to operate. After completion, click Export Video to complete.